Hi guys, we are doing metric units of mass today, which is lesson 8.3. You should have reviewed the videos on the slide deck and reviewed King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, as once again we are using that same acronym to do today's lesson. Okay, so let's quickly make the stairs again. So, oopsies, change that. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we are going to do the King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. Today your units, which is right in the middle, is going to be of mass. So we're going to label that with grams. So the first day was length, how long something is. Second day was volume, which is how much liquid is in something, and the third day is mass, so how much something weighs. Okay, so we've got kilogram, and we've got hectogram, and we've got decagram. Notice they all end in grams. And then we have decigrams, and centigram, and milligram. And hopefully by now you're catching on that when we go down, we are multiplying by 10 each time. Each step is 10. And when we go up, we are doing the opposite and we are dividing by 10 each time. Okay, so let's practice. Let's do number 1. Number 1 is 0.003 grams equals how many milligrams? Okay, well, we are going to switch. I'm going to get to yellow. We are going to find grams, which is right here, and then milligrams. And I know I need to go down because I'm starting up here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I want you to take about 30 seconds and talk to your dog, your grandma and grandpa, your mom and dad, your little baby brother and sister, or just the air, and tell them, why are we going to multiply this by 1,000 instead of 10? Go ahead. All right, well, hopefully you said that we went down 3 levels, and each time it was by 10, so that tells me we have to multiply it by 1,000. So I'm going to change my color, go back to blue, 0.003 grams times 1,000. And I know that I have to move the decimal over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now 3 milligrams is my answer. Boom. All right, let's try another one. Erase. Okay. Blake, what number do you want to do? Oh, you want to do 9? Okay, that sounds good. Good job, Blake. Let's do number 9. So we've got 8,240 milligrams equals how many grams? Okay, now I'm going to choose a different color so you can see the difference. Let's do orange. So this time we're starting at milligrams and we're ending at grams. So we are going to go up 1, 2, 3. So we're going to now divide by 10, or 10 each step. So divide by a total of 1,000. So I've got 8,240 divided by 1,000. And so I know I'm going to move that decimal over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that is my new answer. 8.24 grams is my answer. There are 8.24 grams in 8,240 milligrams. All right, let's try one more. We're going to do a word problem this time. So I'm going to flip the page and we will go back to this one, but we're going to flip it for now so we can write down notes. It says, Hero has 5 kilograms of potatoes and 2 kilograms of onions. He plans to use 3.25 kilograms of potatoes and 550 grams of onions for a recipe. How many total kilograms of produce will not be used? All right, so I'm going to write down what I know. I know that there are 5 kilograms of potatoes. I'm going to abbreviate. There are 2 kilograms of onions. And that's how much he has. I know that he is going to use 3.25 kilograms of potatoes. And I know, let's stick that tree in there. I know that he's going to use he's going to use 550 grams of onions. Okay, that's how much he's going to use. Okay, so if you notice, let's go ahead and highlight yellow. We have kilograms, 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 and we have grams. So we need to convert that gram to kilograms so that it makes sense, because otherwise you can't add and subtract. So let's go back a page, and hopefully you'll see that he is at grams, which is right here, and he needs to go up to kilograms. So I'm going to change it to green. So 1, 2, 3. So we are going to divide by 3. So 550 divided by 3 different tens, so divided by 1,000. Go 1, 2, 3. Now he has 0.550 kilograms. Now that's going to make more sense when we do our adding and subtracting. So I know 5 plus 2 is 7. So that's how much he total has. He has 7 kilograms of onions and potatoes. And we need to figure out how much he's going to use. So let's add. I'm going to switch colors so you can see. 3.25 plus 0.550. That's how much he's going to use total. Got 0, 0, carry my 1, 8. That's how much he's going to use. And so now all we need to do is subtract that from your 7 that he total has. Because the question, if you go back to the original question, is how much produce will not be used. So he has a total of 7, and he's going to use this 3.8. So we need to subtract that out. And 0, 0. We'll borrow from him. 2 and 3, and that is how much produce he will not use. That is your actual answer. 3.200 kilograms of produce will not be used. All right, guys, hope this makes sense. Please complete odds on both sides, and let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to check your answers. Bye.